In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on Xbox One. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks gift card, regardless of the value. You will be able to redeem your V-Bucks and spend them all in the item shop. It is going to be available on any platform as long as you sign into the same Epic Games account. So to do this, you don't have to do it inside of the game. In fact, you can only redeem your V-Bucks gift card by going over to this website at Fortnite.com. So instead of opening up the game, go to Fortnite.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to sign into your Epic Games account. Make sure that you are properly signed in. You can choose the option to sign in with Xbox, and once you are signed in, hover over more and choose V-Bucks as you can see here. Once you go over to this page, you will be able to redeem your V-Bucks card. So cards purchased at retail stores are redeemed here. An Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. If you have played Fortnite, you already have an Epic Games account. Click Get Started below to find your Epic Games account and redeem your V-Bucks. So click Get Started. If you are already signed in, you will be able to input the code, but if you aren't signed in, then you will be prompted to do so. And all that you have to do now is turn over your card and scratch off the security covering. You will be able to see it here. The code that you need is located on the back of the card under Scratch Off Security Covering. So immediately upon finishing the Scratch Off Security Covering, you will be able to see the entirety of the code and you can input it here. Choose Next, and as long as the code was valid and you activated the V-Bucks gift card on the counter, then you will be able to receive the V-Bucks and spend them all within the item shop. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.